babies? It's your girl Selena Coren here. We are back with another vloggy vlog. It is day 2 of the travel vlog. We are here in South Carolina, so I decided to go ahead and pick up the camera to show you guys. I wanted to start off with the outfit of the day. It is this 2-piece right here. I gotta do my hair, which I'm gonna show you guys me doing my hair, but it's that, and then I'm gonna show you.
She ain't had to do all that.
I showed them. All right, so this is the outfit. This is the outfit, and these are the shoes. So yeah, but we're getting ready, so I'm about to finish getting ready and show y'all me doing my hair. So click that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and press the notification bell. What's up, y'all? We are at this place called, what's that say? Y'all see that? New York. Hold on, let me turn y'all around. All right, we are at New York Pizza Kitchen Bar and Grill. And y'all, it's hot. I can't even look up there to show y'all what's going on, but I just ordered some fettuccine alfredo with some shrimp. You got a gyro. They got a gyro. Mama got a fettuccine alfredo, and my dad, I don't know what he got.
Supreme, 10-inch Supreme.
Yeah, he got a Supreme. But y'all need to come on out here. I done lost my shoe. Oh, let me show y'all my shoes. Hold on. Don't look at my toes, but these are my shoes, y'all. Base shoes with these, period. Get into it. But yeah, y'all, I had to come out here because I didn't want us to be all that copyright music and all that. So we got to go back in here because our drink is coming, and they need a Red Bull, and I need my sweet tea with my water. So make sure you hit the subscribe button. Y'all, so we just got done eating. We are now at this souvenir store called Eagles, but they got like deals and all that, like with clothes and all that. This is what it's looking like around this. But yeah,
North Carolina.
South Carolina.
South Carolina, whatever.
Huh?
This ain't the fat 99, but it's just the next door. Yep, because it'll say 15. You know?
So cheap, y'all. What's up, y'all? We are back at the beach. You already know we gotta be coming to the beach. We cannot. It is South Carolina, man.
South Carolina.
How many clips, y'all? As many times as y'all seen this travel vlog, or as long as y'all watch the travel vlog, tell me how many times he keeps saying North Carolina. He don't even know what we at.
Third off.
But look at this.
Look at this here. Can somebody come look at this? Look at this. Yeah.
Y'all, it looks so pretty out here, and it's a lot more people than it was. Y'all see how, I'm gonna show y'all when we get up to the ocean, but it's literally like the ocean is like, what's it called when the water is like pushed back or whatever? I'm about to lead them. You know me, I can do my own thing. We're gonna go ahead and do what we're gonna do. Here. Y'all, it is literally feeling so good. The ocean's right there. Let me zoom in for y'all, if I can. They don't want me to zoom in for y'all. Nah, you gonna zoom in for my Lena babies. Hold on, y'all. Since it didn't want to do it, there go my dad. There go bae. There's the ocean. Y'all see how this is what I was saying, like, the water was literally up here yesterday, and now it's all the way back there. You can see like where some of the water was. They'd have made them their own little swimming pool. I'm actually gonna go play with them. Ha! But yeah, this is literally what it's looking like. I don't know where my mama is. I'm like trying to wait for her. Sorry if y'all can't hear me because of the wind, but I'm trying to wait for my mama, and I don't know where she at, but she's gonna miss out because I'm gonna go into the middle of the ocean. Your girl is a fish, okay? I like to swim, so for me to be here, But yeah, I'm just trying to wait for my mom because she likes to go out in the middle of the ocean, and bae is not gonna do that, and my dad's not gonna do that with her. So it's like we got each other when it comes to stuff like this. Like, if my mama see me doing it, she's gonna do it, and like try to see like, okay, if she can do it, I know I can do it because I'm her mama, you know. But I'm about to try and find some shark teeth out here since the water has. What is this? What's this called that when the water moves up like that? No, like. Yeah, but I was gonna say there's a lot of people out here, but I'll show y'all the ocean when I get out there, whenever my mom decides to show her face. What you find, baby?
I like this one. This is my favorite one I found right here.
You try to put it up to your ear?
Nope.
You know you can hear the ocean through them.
For real?
Mm-hmm.
I didn't know that.
If it's closed like that, that's a tight one though. That that looked like it came from a crab or something.
I don't know, but that's why I grabbed it.
Y'all look at this. Look what they found. What's this one? It looked like an oyster. Like it came from an oyster.
Yeah.
Somebody got to it before me. No, I'm just playing. That's tight. But we could probably find shark teeth now because the water done went up. We're about to find some shark teeth, y'all. If y'all see it, let me know. Alright, y'all, we got out the beach real quick. We're about to go use the bathroom after I clean off with my shoes, y'all. But no, it's like so relaxing out here. Y'all can hear the live band right there. But I hope you guys are enjoying this travel vlog for real, because I'm enjoying it. And it's just gonna be so cool to like look back on this vlog and see when I went to South Beach. I said South Beach, North Myrtle Beach. Hold on. Oh, yep, that'll do it. You ain't gotta worry about me. You ain't got to worry about me. Let's clean off our feet, y'all. But we're about to walk and find this bathroom because your girl got to go. No, for real. What's up, Lena baby? So we are at Hickory Tavern right now. We are hungry, y'all. We came back from the beach, got dressed and everything, and then here we are. We're hungry. But I do want to just give a moment of silence for my hometown. We just had a shooting in the mall, so let's do a moment of silence for those who have lost their lives. Yeah, that it's scary, but you know, we protect it. So I just thank God for, you know, his love and grace. But we're about to go in here and eat. This is what the area is looking like. My mama and daddy taking pictures. There's Ross and all that over there. And then baby.
I said, what's up? Y'all seen me earlier.
But yeah, so we about to go ahead and come in here and grub. I'm gonna show y'all what we eating, what the vibes is like, let y'all know how we liked it.
See, you talk about green.
What was that?
Babe.
Oh.
Y'all be talking about
Prayers to the families that was involved in the Greenwood shooting. That
They
was
closed
just
at
a
11.
very tragic incident to hear about. I'm really tired of this. I really am. Like, we need to wake up, do something, figure out ways to talk and communicate, heal, do something. But this needs to stop. I'm tired.
If you was trying to wonder like why I was jumping, me and my mom thought it was a mouse, but it was a bag. That's that's why I jumped. But we're gonna go ahead and go in here. We can just stand out here. But I definitely give South Carolina a 10 out of 10. What about you, baby? What you give South Carolina?
I give North Carolina a definite 10 out of 10.
What number is that, y'all? It is South Carolina.
North Carolina.
Anyway.
Take your shirt off.
Anyway. Okay. Anyway, y'all, if you have a Bojangles in your state, tell me what state you're in. I said state. Tell me what state you are in, because I'm going to have to see. Because Bojangles, when I had Bojangles in Tennessee, it was fire. Fire and desire. All right, bye. Alright, y'all, we are back in the hotel room. We just got done eating, and I definitely give that restaurant a 10 out of 10, y'all. The salmon, the baked potato, like everything was very, very good, even down to the drink, y'all. The sweet tea was banging. Okay, no, for real. But I'm about to close it out. I'm going to be doing another part. I might vlog for y'all. Bae suggests that I vlog every single day. Do y'all want to vlog every day? They said, yeah, babe. So y'all can thank him.
I said it first.
Y'all can thank him for getting a vlog every day of us being here.
I said it. I said y'all deserve more. Y'all deserve more. And I deserve more too, because I watched too. I'm a Lena baby. I'm the first Lena baby. Don't y'all ever forget it. Don't forget that. All right? All right.
So I'm gonna see y'all tomorrow, which is basically gonna be the next day. Tomorrow is the 18th. So I will have 2 more days after that until my birthday. So your girl is 23, period. So make sure y'all hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and press the notification bell, y'all. And then I will see y'all in the next travel vlog. Bye.